All right, this is a story called The March. Now, not talking about the month of March or not really like soldiers. Well, it's not soldiers marching. It's sort of people marching, but it's actually just another word for people gathering together to protest something non-violently. So, just a little fictional story about a dad and a son who, I guess not a son, I guess it could be a daughter, it doesn't say. So, who are showing up to a march to protest this law that the government has created. Not a long story, then just some questions to answer about it. Again, not a new concept, but just good practice reading and answering questions about a text. You're telling me, why were the characters in this story making signs? If you read Ready to Fight the Wind, it's has some similarities to that. Then you're circling or underlining evidence to support your answer. What were the characters protesting? How does this relate to the First Amendment of the Constitution, which the dad says in the last little bit? And then what have you seen people protest, and what was the effect of their protest? Maybe you haven't. There was a lot of protests this past summer, or maybe you had seen other ones in the past. Or not. If you haven't, that's okay. But I would start to pay attention to why are different people protesting different things, and then did it have any effect? Did it make a change at all? Okay? The code word for today is so. So, S-O, so. So, write that down so you can put it in at the end of the week. Good luck.